My name is Gabriela. I am from Venezuela. I have been here for 8 months. I like the London because have many beautiful places. I like this school also, and the teachers are very friendly and very nice. The class are very interesting. The teacher explain very well the class and the grammar and learn speaking and improve your vocabulary. When I arrived this school, the staff was very nice. Later, when began my class, the classmate was very happy because I meet with another people the another country. I make more for Japan, from Japan. I meet people from Italy, Russia, and Japan, Ecuador, everywhere. The activities are very good. In the library, staff is good. In class, the teacher show how you improve your English and your vocabulary. I like London because it's very different with my country. Have many places beautiful. London is amazing. Have good place for party, for share with friends. I recommend this school because you learn English here.